Welcome back to Cosmos News Updates, your trusted source for the latest developments across the Cosmos ecosystem. I'm Darnell, and today we're diving into the biggest news and events that happened throughout February and March 2025. In this episode, we're covering the huge Cosmos Hub Eureka upgrade, Akash Network's latest expansions and ETH Denver highlights, oraichain's AI-powered blockchain updates, Injective's new institutional partnerships and network proposals, Celestia's work on modular scalability, and as always, don't forget to delegate your Atom and AKT tokens to the Optima Validator node, formerly known as Cosmos Africa. Let's get started. The biggest story from Cosmos Hub this season is the Eureka upgrade. Eureka brings a game-changing feature to Cosmos: native Ethereum interoperability. That means Cosmos and Ethereum can now communicate directly, without relying on traditional bridges. This is a major step in positioning Cosmos as the center of a multi-chain future. Eureka effectively turns IBC, the inter-blockchain communication protocol, into a universal layer of interoperability. The long-term plan is to extend these capabilities to other major chains like Solana and Ethereum Layer 2s like Arbitrum and Base. Developers will now be able to build multi-chain applications that natively speak to Ethereum, improving both security and user experience. Akash Network continues to push the boundaries of decentralized cloud computing. In February, Akash integrated with the PKT network infrastructure, forming a unique partnership to build a global, people-powered media network. This move is aimed at supporting open content distribution and simplifying decentralized infrastructure deployment. Akash also made a strong presence at ETH Denver 2025, engaging developers and showcasing their cloud platform for AI and machine learning workloads. The goal? To provide fast, affordable compute resources for AI models, directly from a decentralized network, challenging the monopoly of big cloud providers. If you're a builder or researcher looking for decentralized compute, Akash continues to position itself as a serious alternative. Next up, let's talk about oraichain, the AI Layer 1 blockchain. In March, the oraichain mainnet was upgraded to version 0.50.9, bringing major enhancements. ORAI is now usable on oraichain EVM, dynamic fee mechanisms were introduced, and key bug fixes improved EVM compatibility. They also launched a new initiative called the Parallel, a vision of the future where AI agents and humans collaborate inside Web3. This is part of oraichain's larger goal to make AI tools more accessible to both developers and end users within the blockchain ecosystem. From smart contract automation to AI-driven DeFi tools, oraichain is quietly building a powerful Web3 AI stack. Over to Injective, which had an active quarter with major strategic moves. First, the Lyora upgrade proposal passed unanimously, marking a major step forward in the evolution of the Injective chain. This upgrade lays the groundwork for new DeFi innovations and governance enhancements. Even bigger news, Injective has entered a partnership with Google Cloud, offering developers more secure and scalable infrastructure to build dApps. And in a move that bridges traditional finance and crypto, Injective collaborated with Nomura's Laser Digital to bring BlackRock funds on-chain. This shows Injective's growing focus on institutional-grade financial products. Injective is not just building for retail, they're bringing real-world finance into the decentralized world. Celestia also had a productive start to 2025. In March, they launched the MamaBlocks initiative, a campaign to push the boundaries of modular data availability. The idea is to support more scalable applications by separating execution from data availability, making it easier for developers to launch their own blockchains. Celestia also proposed coordinated network upgrades to improve interoperability, including the introduction of hyperlane bridging. These upgrades aim to make it easier to connect Celestia with other blockchain ecosystems. Celestia continues to lead the charge on modular blockchain infrastructure, giving developers more flexibility, scalability, and independence. Before we wrap up, a quick but important reminder. If you're holding Atom or AKT, don't let those tokens sit idle. Delegate them to the Optima Validator node, formerly Cosmos Africa. By staking with Optima, you help secure the network, earn staking rewards, and support a validator that's committed to growing the Cosmos ecosystem, especially across Africa. That's all for this month's Cosmos News Updates. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. We'll be back soon with more news, interviews, and insights from across the cosmos. Until then, keep building, keep learning, and keep exploring the cosmos. See you next time.